Hey everyone, thank you for joining. My name's Cameron, I'm the training manager over here at Diode LED, and welcome to the versatility of tape light. So, what you're going to learn throughout these videos. We'll go more into depth on the key specifications, common terminology and applications, finding the right light for the right application, how to install, and of course, power and drivers. Key specifications. Terms used often in our industry that you should know and be comfortable with using when working with your customers, such as lumens per foot, CCT, CRI, etc. These are the type of terms that are often thrown around a lot, so let's become familiar with them. Common terminology and application. We want to drive home that tape light is not just for under cabinet or DIY projects, but can be used in almost every application on a project. Start capturing more on your next project, such as the cove lighting, outdoor exterior lighting, wall grazing opportunities, and so much more. The sky's the limit with tape light. Finding the right light for the right application. This is where we'll get into three major categorizations of projects and how to position yourself strategically with tape light systems that meet the performance levels necessary for each type of project. Not every tape light is necessary for every project. Planning ahead is vital, and having specific tape light systems that you can label as good, better, or best will help you be prepared for every type of application. How to install. We'll take a unique perspective at install and focus on the different ways to order your tape light systems, as well as what are the foundational pieces needed for a system: the tape light, channel, driver, and accessories. Power and drivers. Last but surely one of the most important parts of a quality tape light system, drivers. We'll discuss voltage basics, what drivers are, and how to pick the right driver for your system. Because just like tape light, all drivers aren't made the same. Fun fact, drivers are usually the first failure point on a project, which is why it's so important to select a quality driver for your tape light system. With that, we'll wrap this up. You now know what you'll be learning about throughout these videos. I am so excited for what's to come. I'm Cameron, the training manager at Diode LED. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.